Hello everyone, this is Anshura. Today I am going to tell you about transaction and its practical implementation using MySQL. MySQL is nothing but a database. Transaction. What is transaction? Transaction is logical unit of work that contains one or more statement. If all the statements execute, then it is closed. Otherwise, it is rolled back. If any of the statements perform does not execute. If we make multiple changes to database, either all the statements would succeed when the transaction is committed, or every statement will be rolled back. Is that no transaction has occurred. A transaction follows for one property, asset property: atomicity, consistency, isolation, and durability. So let me show you the transaction, how it is done. This is my table JavaCon. Let me show you my table, what it actually contains. It contains two rows, 1 and 2. Let me start the transaction. Transaction is executed with the initialization of start transaction statement. Start transaction. The transaction has begun. So then I will put some statements inside the transaction. So let me update this table which I have already created. JavaCon update table name. We will set the changes. Set name equal to Ansh, where ID equal to 1. So let me show you what this will actually give us. This has updated our row which contains the ID 1 and the name is set to be Ansh. So let me update this once again. Now I will set it to, then I will run. So this has actually given us the updated rows for this. Now I'm going to select start from JavaCon. Here you will show all both the names are changed to Ansh. So let me just roll back. So it is rolled back. Now let me show you what this database table contains. The updated Ansh name is rolled back, and the primarily when before we were executing it, the transaction, the name were 0 and hero. So both the names are back again. So let me show you what commit does. I will start the transaction again, and then I will update this as well. And when I enter commit, these statements are committed, they cannot be rolled back. When I will select start from JavaCon, here the 0 name is changed to Ansh, and then this transaction is completed. When I will apply rollback and select start from table, so no changes has occurred. So this is transaction basically states that if multiple changes or multiple statements are given to the database table, either all would succeed or none would succeed. We can roll back the statement if the transaction is wrongly occurred or is not succeeded. Thank you and have a nice day.